G'day everyone, Paul Stoner, CEO of Biggin and Scott. I'm joined by David Lack today from our Port Melbourne office. David, how are you?
Yeah, pretty good, thank you, Paul.
That's good. So it's the middle of winter. Tell us what's been happening.
Well, it's been a little bit quiet in terms of the listing scene.
Yeah.
A lot of people are a little bit shy about putting their properties on the market despite the strength of the market we've seen over autumn.
Yes.
But we've had the election, it's come and gone. We have a result finally, and school holidays have also come and gone. So we've been really busy over the last couple of weeks, advising people, getting their properties ready for sale, and really positive about the spring market.
Yes, so this is the interesting part. Everybody now is saying spring, spring, spring. My advice would be to pick winter as the new spring, because there'll be a lot coming to market mid-September, late September into October, especially after the grand final and so forth. But it's if you're looking for demand for your property, it's now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the buyers
Absolutely.
are everywhere.
Yes,
Yeah.
I mean, and of course we've got the football finals just around the corner. So, for those people that are ready and able to get their properties on the market, now's the time.
Yeah.
The properties that have been auctioned over the last few weeks have sold really well.
Yeah.
All over reserve price. So, it's some people like to follow everybody else's lead and do it after the football or after Melbourne Cup, but it's supply and demand. And basically, when you put your property on the market, when other properties aren't around, you just get that premium price.
Yeah. And if you've been thinking, can I do an off-market type transaction, certainly in the Port Melbourne, Albert Park, South Melbourne areas, they're very, very open to that. You've got buyers that want
absolutely
quick solutions, and it's very achievable. So it would have been putting a little bit of demand on your rentals.
Yes. So it was interesting that over winter, our rental list probably got as long as I've seen it for probably 3 or 4 years. But over the last few weeks, we've been frightfully busy.
Yeah.
I think just this week we've had 10 move-ins. So, it's people need a roof over their head, and if they can't buy something, they say, well, look, okay, we'll rent in the area and hope some more stock comes on the market.
Yeah, amazing. So that's the bad news. Tell us about the good news. How's spring shaping up for you at the moment?
Well, at the moment, the good thing is that we've got quite a bit of stock coming up, and excitedly, a good diverse range of properties. So we have single-fronted cottages, we have townhouses, we've got big family homes, and they tend to be tightly held.
Yeah.
But a good range of properties, anywhere from probably $1 million up to probably just over $2 million.
Yeah, fantastic. So, but they've got to wait for those because people have chosen dates.
Well, that's right. I mean, some of those are ready to go and will be about to hit the market, and other properties will be ready in a few weeks.
Yeah. So interest rates have come down. One of my messages is that winter it's going to end pretty quickly. Holidays are over. The election's over. We don't have any changes to the tax regime with investment properties and so forth. So it's the market is pretty much in great shape. Interest rates have come down. So if you are thinking of selling, now is the time. For the buyers, unfortunately, you'll have to wait. But make sure you're on the database.
Absolutely.
Because the guys will contact you if you're in a price range on the database, whether it's on market or off market.
That's right. And we're averaging at least one sale off market a month. So, some vendors are a bit shy about putting their property out there or don't want their neighbours through. But it's a great way of selling, without the inconvenience of open for inspections. But, I think if you're there thinking about selling,
And David will be working right through the finals because the doggies won't be in the finals now.
We'll probably finish 7th or 8th, and I hope to see our team play more than one final this year. But they've done pretty well.
It's quite sad to see them every week and another couple of injuries. It's just it's sad.
That's right,
mate. Congratulations to Port Melbourne. Great office. If you haven't been in David's office, drop in. It is a beautiful office, and the area is it's out of control, but it's been out of control now for 20 years. So.
Absolutely. And one final thing is that we're again involved with the block. and been down there and seen the lovely couple that we're representing, and really exciting project, something that hasn't been done before on the block, and these massive apartments within a deco building, offering some 200 square metres of living, which is really hard to find in a city. So look, watch this space. You'll see the first room reveals in a couple of weeks' time after the Olympics, and we're certainly looking forward to sharing the rooms as they appear week by week.
And that alone, if you are a buyer, is a reason to get onto David's database, because you will have private inspections for
Absolutely,
VIPs.
absolutely. We'll be conducting some VIP showings. And for those people that are registered and already built a relationship with us, the good news is you won't have to queue up with 30,000 other people at 4 o'clock in the morning to reserve your space. So please get in contact with us. And yes, look, certainly a few months off before the auction, but really looking forward to it.
Yeah, fantastic. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you.